Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is RP. Now you might have heard that there are major protests going on in Clarendon. It stems from an incident that took place after 8 individuals were travelling in a car. Right. People that said them come from party, young people. Police tell them say they must stop or signal them to stop. Car drive right through. This is what everybody agree upon. Everybody on both sides of the fence agree say police try to stop the car and the car never stop. But it's from this point onwards where things start to get spooky, because residents are say that's as usual, police just decide say, you know what, we're gonna just wet up this whole vehicle and call it a day. Right? That's how people make it sound. But the police are say man from the car start fire for them fire back, car end up crash, and everybody will get injured and lose them life was as a result of the accident and not from the police shooting. You see, when I first heard this story, I thought that the lives that were lost were from rounds fired by the police. And I was thinking to myself, hold on, 8 people in one car? Because one of them AD wagon there, so you have the trunk part, right? So I mean, you have the space around there, so I guess that's how them can fit 8 people in it. So I thought to myself, hold on, 8 people in a one car, and police just stick car with so much people in it and just wildly just start let off a bag of shot in night. If that was the case, then the police them deserve whatever is coming to them. But then as more and more details come on, as usual, you start to realize, hold on, something now add up. First thing that stand out to me is all 8 individuals were injured. All 8 end up in the hospital. And I thought, hold on, so that means that them not just engage the car with rounds, but they manage to put a round in everybody. 8 people get shot. This is how it come out initially. 8 people. I said, no man, something wrong or something. It's hard enough to get into a rolling shootout with a car and manage to get rounds accurately on 2 targets while in the car, much less to catch all 8. Something never really add up to me. But then now, I get to understand say that the accident is what led to the injuries of the 8 people. In other words, when the car lick up because them are run from police, as me say. Man I say, drive on the papers and all kind of things, so man say them now stop, plus it look like say after curfew hours, so you know them think they go already. So it was when the car lick up at them time the people them sustain injuries, and the 2 individuals who lost them life, 21-year-old Kavan Saman, 17-year-old Jamai Blair, very young with them. Right. That was a result of the accident and not from the rounds fired by the police. Now you see, when this detail come out, right, and again this is from the CCU, so I don't know if further down the road anything else will come out. Now that this has been released, we are look from it from a completely different angle, because me say, if car drive through, police signal car for stop, car full of 8 people, and car drive past police, and then police just start bam 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 in a car, that right there, so just dig the hole under the grave and put them. If that's how they play, okay, that's how it initially. When I was first getting the reports, people say in the USA, I was like, if I saw it go, man, that sound extraordinary to me, but if I saw it go, them get anything them get, them deserve. But I say, you know what, me a whole out, cause something not sound right there, so right. You have a whole heap of trigger happy, right, people in the JSF, and we know it's not everybody operate at the same standard, but that is almost high treason. If you engage a car full of people, right, just because them drive through, and of course that's illegal and that's wrong, but 8 people, right, that sound like madness. But now we are here say about the accident, and now things are start to come out a little clearer. So when you see the protests them are going now, I'm thinking to myself, hold on, is it that the people them who are protest get it say, the police them just car drive through chase start, so police says wait up car, or the people them opposite say the police them end up a chase them and the car go and go crash. You see how different we can look on this now. Because if people are upset that a car drive past a police stop car and car drive past and then police start running car and car go crash. I mean, are we saying that the police shouldn't chase people? I don't understand. Because whenever these protests take place, I always want to know what the real motivation is. So it could be a case where, early morning, cause bright and early people come protest. It happened at the night and then people come protest. So enough of the people, I guarantee you, enough of the people in that protest, what them hear was that police stop car no stop, so police wet up car and people lose their life. And then people here eat and then people here saying they would have, it seemed like there were some females in there, plus the young people, so people say, you know what, we'll go protest. But the fact that it is now been released, it is the accident that end up caused the 2 individuals to lose their life and the other 6 to get injured. Well, that nowhere asks a different set of questions, because if it wasn't for the accident part, we asked some questions at the JCF, not just the officers who take part in the operation, right, but even the leadership and how, right, the kind of training that surrounds this type of incident, when people drive through roadblock. We have to ask a wave of questions, but now it's almost as if we're back to square one, right? Because as I was initially getting ready to do this video, I was thinking to myself, well, we are coming at it from the angle of if police stop car and car not stop, yes, police have to do them job, but if you open up on car, that's complete madness. But now we are here say, under that car they lost a life, it's almost like we're back to square one. This sounds like another example of a tragic loss of life that could have been completely avoided. Times like this, people normally play the blame game. Remember, they were told to stop and then drive through for whatever reason, as I say, whether papers not straight or whatever. The driver did the wrong thing. However, these are young people. We're talking about 17-year-old, 21-year-old, right? Young people love the eyeglass thing already, right? So we're not saying that in itself deserve for nobody go down a duff gun. The police report say you would fire for them and then fire back. Now that part again is a different set of questions. If you did a fire from the car or for the police, then you know what? Only need to look on the friend them however was in the car. Right. That part. Because now you are dealing with not just eyeglass, but now you are dealing with Batman thing. So you have to look on it fair and square. If a couple young youths drive through a roadblock and then end up go and go crash and lose them life, we can say, you know what? Even though they broke the law, it's a tragic loss of life and they don't really deserve to go out like that. For eyeglass joyride, because that is what it sounds like to me. Eyeglass joyride. But if a group of youths in a car, police never stop, and then youth are fire shot from the car of a police and police are fire back, that's a complete different scenario. They're gone a bad man thing. Remember, this incident just took place, right? The news is fresh, so you're going to hear more and more things come out and you're going to say, oh, whenever that happened, this happened. We just work with the preliminary report, so that's why we can't say nothing concrete. I'm just telling you the different views and telling you whatever was the actual moments leading up to it is going to shape how I actually view this thing. If you still not care fire runs over police and police fire back, well, there's some people in the car. Right? I don't know if I want to friend them or whatever, if it's a taxi, but you have to understand at them man they causing the injuries. However, if a unicorn meet, if a fairy tale, say people are fired from the car, right, then people have to answer for this. People have to answer. The authorities them have to answer. So, let me say, the whole thing is fresh. We don't really get 100% what go on, but now if you understand something, this is easily proven. if the people them a say and shoot, police shoot the youth them, and that's why them lose them life. That right there, sir, is easily proven. There will be an autopsy, and we can know if the accident caused them to lose them life, or if the shooting from the police. So that right there, so even if people might say, well, sir, suppose I lie, police I tell say, say are the accidents, suppose are them shoot the people them. Don't worry, we can find out if something really goes on. Plus, enough people, so there's bound to be some witnesses. In the day, this could have been avoided completely. You see how things spiral out of control easily? Just one decision to not stop. I mean, people say, oh, well, you never have no papers. So 8 people in one car and the person when no papers a drive car. I don't know. This entire case is spooky. If those papers man I run from, how did I get to the point where round start exchange? Anyway, we will find out, right? By 24 to 48 hours, when these incidents happen, you normally get the full detail because initially you have the emotional reaction and you have the people who come out and then people may start whispering and say, boy, actually I know I say this thing go on still and the man them. So we're going to find out how go on still. But anyway, Clarendon people, big up on yourself, but we need to know more about this. Because based on how the story is being reported from both sides, is either somebody left off something or is outright lying, right? To cover themselves and make themselves look good. So it's a question of who. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Yes.